Hey guys, in this video you're going to be checking out the ARRIS X90 micro brushless drone here. This is sort of a tiny whip style drone with these duct or prop protectors here. We have 1104 7800 kV motors, and I believe these are rebranded AOK fly motors. Gemfan 2035 four-bladed props, pretty good props here. The FPV system is just an all-in-one camera. It's a pretty generic one. I'm not really sure what model it is. I didn't take it apart to see, but it's an okay camera. I say it's pretty average, not too bad or not all that great. And then these prop guards here do come off if you do want to fly without the prop guards. You just have to take these screws off here. You might need shorter screws to do that because it does leave a little bit of gap between the frame and the motor, so you don't damage the winding, so keep that in mind. And they don't include shorter screws, so also be aware of that. There's this plastic cage that was on the bottom here that I took off, and this was for the battery that's included. They include this ARRIS branded 700 milliamp hour 2S LiPo 30C. It's an okay battery, pretty average 2-cell battery with a JST connector. This is designed for 2S, although you might be able to run it on 3S, not 100% sure. It does have the same stack that came in the ARRIS X90, which is the Raptor S 20x20 board. So basically an omnibus, sorry, it's not an omnibus, it's a SB Racing F3 board with a MW OSD, so it's the older style OSD, and then you have a 4-in-1 12 amp BLHeli ESC. And I do know that the ARRIS X90 does run fine on 3S, but that does have an XT30. So you could probably run this on 3S, although I'm not sure if these 700 kV motors are going to be able to last that long with 3S. I don't know what they're actually rated for. It is designed for 2S. The PIDs and everything are also designed for 2S because I did fly it on 2S only. And it did come with a tune from the factory, and that's how I flew it. The only thing I did was I added the receiver. It did not come with a receiver. This is plug and play only. I basically, this lead here, which was soldered onto the flight controller, was sticking out here with a little servo lead. I just cut the servo lead off, and then I soldered it onto this little micro receiver that came with this transmitter here. This is the tiny TX X8 radio, so a little, sort of low-end hobby grade / toy grade transmitter. Did a review on this. I'll put a card in the corner. You can watch that video and get more details on this transmitter. So yeah, there was very little setup other than soldering on the wires for the receiver, and I got kind of lazy here. I just stuck it on the back of the plastic canopy here with some double-sided foam tape, although you could probably unscrew the canopy here. There's 3 screws here, and then shove the receiver inside there. That's probably not a big deal. Just have the antenna sticking out of the back here. Yeah, it literally took me 10 minutes to set it up, and I didn't even do any changes in Betaflight. I just made sure the modes were working, and I made sure the failsafe was working, obviously with the props off. Just a couple, safety checks, and then I went and flew it. So, I thought it flew pretty well. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you the flight demo. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.